One little bird up in a tree, two fluffy clouds floating so free, three buzzing bees in a sunny patch, four bright flowers that we can catch, five green frogs hop near the stream, six shiny stars that brightly gleam, seven big fish swim in the sea, eight cool kids playing with glee, nine tall trees that touch the sky, 10 happy kids waving goodbye. Count with me, it's so much fun, learning numbers one by one. Count with me, it's so much fun, learning numbers one by one.